of all, let me start by saying thanks so much for everybody that participated in my Star Wars contest. I will be posting the winners Wednesday night. And second, I want to start this unboxing by saying that this box set is region free. Thanks so much, Fox. Another region free box set. And best of all, comes with 9 Blu-ray discs, being 6 movies and 3 bonus discs. We have over 40 hours of special features. And this package with the young Anakin in the cover is the Complete Saga, 9 Blu-ray discs. Let me show you here the box, top, bottom, the side, Lucasfilm, 20th Century Fox, THX, same thing, and the back cover. And you're going to be able to find this movie starting Friday, nationwide, everywhere for $80. Alright, so finally, let's open this Star Wars Blu-ray Complete Saga. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! So here's the flyer. It's a really nice cardboard, thick, and you can actually save this inside. Here we have the box set. Let's start talking about the box. If you bought the Alien Anthology from last year, it's exactly the same. Same measurements. I mean, what do you expect? They're both from Fox, so pretty much the same thing. And they also have the same layout inside with the circled slots for the disc. The only difference that I see between Aliens and the Star Wars is that this one is high gloss and the Star Wars is pretty much matte finish. But still it's a really nice quality. It's a really strong, thick cardboard material. Here we have the very first one, the Phantom Menace. The second one, Attack of the Clones. Here we have the third one, Revenge of the Sith. Here we have number 4, A New Hope. This is actually the first one that was supposed to be called Star Wars, and that's it. Now they changed to Episode 4, A New Hope. This is the very first Star Wars movie from 1977. Here we have number 5, The Empire Strikes Back. This was the second movie back then, released in 1980. And now they changed to the Episode 5. And the last one is Return of the Jedi. This one was the third one from the series, released in 1983. But now it's changed to Episode 6, Star Wars, Return of the Jedi. And here we have the very first bonus disc. This one is called Episodes 1 to 3 Archives. And here's the second bonus disc. It's called Episodes 4 to 6 Archives. And this is the last one, the bonus disc number 3, probably the most important one. Here we're gonna have all the main special features, documentaries, spoofs, behind the scenes, making ofs, everything. Everything is gonna be on the third disc. And on the last page, here we have a drawing of all the characters from all the movies. And my book is missing. Shame on you, George Lucas, Fox, what's going on here? See? It's supposed to have a book here, a booklet. It's called... See here, it's supposed to come with this little booklet that is called A Guide to the Galaxy. That's not good. But it's supposed to come in here. All the pages come in this really thick cardboard paper, and all the photos are matte finish. Still really nice. Really nice box set. Phenomenal collection for any Star Wars fan. Let me show you the special features here up close. Not only is region free, but also comes with English 6.1 DTS master audio, as well as French, Portuguese and Spanish Dolby Digital 5.1. It also has an extra track in French DTS 5.1. And just so you know, each film includes 2 audio commentaries. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video, and stay tuned for the contest results tomorrow night. Thanks again and see you next time.